What's up, guys? It's your boy TrizzTech with TrizzTech&Electronix. Today we're going to do a little bit different video. We're going to sit here and talk about something that I think is pretty cool for the technological world. We're going to do this video in two separate portions. The first portion is going to be just like this, where I am talking straight to you guys. The next part, I'm going to be commentating a screen recording that I have from Google+. Now you're probably wondering why I'm going to screen record Google+. Well, that's because what we're talking about today is the Project Google Glass. If you guys don't know what Project Google Glass is, it is the concept Google is working on, making heads-up display glasses running on the Android operating system to where you can see your emails, text messages, use Google Maps, all those things that you use on most standard smartphones this day and age. Right inside of your glasses, inside the Google glasses. As far as a technological standpoint, I think this concept is awesome. It blows my mind in many aspects. Having that heads-up display right in your face, I think that's cool. I really do. I think that it's definitely something that I want to get my hands on to play around with and see exactly the ins and outs of it. You know, it's cool to be out on a mountain bike trail or something and being able to see things through your glasses. You don't have to pull over and check your phone, whatever. Now, from a practicality standpoint, there isn't one. It's completely impractical. It's just, I don't see the draw. Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. I mean, who's going to want something like that when they can, you know, and for the developers, this thing's going to release in 2013 at $1,500 to developers. I mean, what regular consumer, you know, it's going to spend $1,500 on a pair of glasses that has these cool heads-up displays on it, where they could buy a cell phone for $200, which has the same concepts, and all you got to do is pull it out of your pocket, you know, and look at it. Like, it just doesn't compute with me. Theoretically, technologically, it's an amazing concept, it's an amazing idea, and as a, you know, tech enthusiast such as myself, it's a draw for people like me who do tech reviews and things like that. It's awesome. It blows my mind. It's definitely something I want to get my hands on. But for the everyday consumer, I just don't grasp the concept. It just doesn't make sense to me. I don't get it. But nonetheless, it's awesome. It's cool. The concept just blows my mind. And with that said, we're going to take a look at the screen recording of Google+. I'm going to show you the Google+ page where they're talking about Project Google Glass. I'm not going to play any of the videos, but I will leave the link to the site that I'm showing in the screen recording in both the description and the annotation, so you can check it out for yourself, watch the videos or whatever. I would definitely recommend doing that. So with that said, let's check that out right now. Okay guys, so like I said, this is the Google Plus page for Project Google Glass. We're going to click on this to take a look at what the glasses actually look like. They are pretty crazy. This is the home page, giving you a little bit of background information into it. We are now checking out what they look like on your face. They really are futuristic. I kind of think that they look like something straight out of Back to the Future, as you saw Doc Hollywood handing Michael J. Fox, his character, his future clothes, his jacket, and his shoes. These glasses totally look like they fit in there with that. They are futuristic. They are cool looking. Now, these are the posts. These are the video trailers and whatnot for Google Glass. They're pretty cool. This next one coming up right here, this one is the one of the newest one that they did at the Developer I/O for Google, that these guys were jumping out of an airplane and on bikes and doing all kinds of crazy stuff. You really need to check this out. As you can see the URL above, but I will also put it in the annotations and the description below so you guys can check all this out for yourself and even start following Project Google Glass on Google+. It's a really cool concept though. The thing behind, you know, Google Glass is really awesome. I still just don't see the practicality. And as you look at these closer, you see what they look like on these people's faces. It just doesn't make sense to me. I don't quite understand why people want it. I don't understand the draw. There's just not a whole lot going on. I mean, look at these again. They're just so crazy. They're really cool looking, and from a technological standpoint, as I said again, I do want to get my hands on them. I definitely want to do a hands-on review for you guys with these when they do come out. You know, $1,500 is pretty steep even for me. So that is, you know, a big thing to think about, and that's one thing that Google should have thought of. Who wants to pay that kind of money, you know, for these glasses and whatnot? It just doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. But this is the Google Plus section for Project Google Glass. You guys should definitely check it out on your own, but that does bring this video to an abrupt end. I hope you guys enjoyed this style video. If you did and you know, definitely give it a thumbs up. I'd also like you guys to leave me some comments below with your opinions on Google Glass. I would definitely like to know those. Likes and favorites appreciated. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.